Hello guys, Mr. Zabis here. Today let's install Docker engine on Debian. So here I already opened the page, so we go to this docker.com, etc. I will post the link on description. So yeah, the first step, obviously update. Okay, it's done already. So we need to install this, or basically check to see are they installed or not. Okay, I have that already. So the next command, and yes, I don't use sudo, so yeah, just skip that bit if you don't use sudo as well. Okay, created that folder. Now, yeah, run this one. Yeah, that command will just download the key, something key related file. Okay. Done that. Let's set the right permissions. Cool, and we can just check to see. Yeah, so we have this file docker, and there are the permissions for that file. Okay, and another one. Okay, and this one. Add some needed records to the apt settings. Yeah, you can copy all of it. Like this. Paste, yes. And only let me to remove sudo. I don't need that. I'm already running as root, so. Seems it's done. And then, yeah, just run update again. So apt update. Okay, and as you can see, here we can see this download docker.com. So now it's added to our apt sources, and we can install it automatically. Well, sort of. Okay, then follow what next is needed. Okay, install Docker, so this line, but I think we can just run this one. Let me check. Yeah, because the following additional packages will be installed, and as you can see, there is Counter.io, plugin, CLI, extras, and some other things. And Git as well will be installed. Yeah, so yeah, yes. Okay, it's done. But next, it tells me just to use that, but I can skip that, I guess, because I need to go to this Linux post install, and we have to check a few things. First of all, let's check the group that we have, a Docker group. So grep gonna be Docker etc group. Yes, we have, but as you can see, it's empty, and we have to add our user. In my case, it's Mr. Zabi. So yeah, this is the command I can use. Okay, and add Mr. Zabi. Done. Let's check again. Yeah, now Mr. Zabi was added there. Cool. What's next? And yeah, I have that already. Okay, now we can try run Docker, but as Mr. Zabi. So let's open normal user terminal. Let's try, will it work? Oopsie. Okay, let's run it as root. Paste. Yeah, it's working as root. Okay, let's try to stop it. And anyway, I need to disable it, so I don't want it to run Docker on every boot. Okay, disable. And another one, container service as well. Disable that. Now let's also stop it. Stop Docker and stop container. Do I need to reboot the system? Why not? Let's try. Okay. So it should not be run. It should be running. Yeah, it's missing. Cool. Will it work now? Okay, so I had to reboot. Docker ps ps nothing is running, but if we add show us all containers, yeah, there are two these hello world ones. So yeah, Docker is installed and can be used. That's it. See ya.